This is a lovely nativity set from the National Trust. Is that sheep upside down? It's made of felted wool, and it just comes in a box like that. So it's called the Mouse Nativity Set with those different figures. And you can see it's made out of a lovely natural product, wool, that's been felted. Now, it comes without a stable, and so I thought I needed some way of displaying it. And I went out and I'd selected several pieces of wood with which to build a stable. And then I thought, it's not going to prevent me from building a wooden stable if I do a rather quicker solution. And that is to make one out of cardboard. Now, I happen to have a box which I thought was probably about the right size. So I've just split the box apart, turned it inside out. So you're not going to see me doing all this because obviously I've completed it. And you don't need to, it's not that hard. Taking a box apart, getting a hot melt glue gun, gluing the various flaps and pieces back together again with the hot melt glue gun. You can imagine all that. Can you imagine spending half an hour of your time watching a video, seeing somebody use a hot melt glue gun and a rattle can spray can to spray the inside, which I happen to have done in dark green because that's what was available. Now, you don't even need to see the next step. It's probably dry enough for me to put these in so they can go in, spilling out, and they might need blue tack to hold them up, spilling out onto the front forecourt of the stable. There's potential to put some straw in there, but most importantly, it's dark inside there, and my intention is to put a light, a little LED light in there, and it might be simply a tea light bashed about and stuck out of sight into one corner, one of these LED tea lights. But that's it basically. That box happened to be about the right size, so I didn't have to do too much cardboard cutting, just turning the box as it was inside out. And if I don't make the wooden thing, what you see is that flap will close up and they can stay inside the box until next year, if that's as far as I get with it. So there we have it, a way of displaying my gorgeous present from my partner of felted mice for nativity.